Hello friends, welcome to Cool IT Help. This is quick tutorial for beginners. In this tutorial session, we will see some useful tips and tricks. If you have just started working with Visual Studio Code, so guys, these shortcuts will help you to improve your productivity. Let's check out these important shortcuts. So we are going to discuss about these 5 shortcuts. First one, how to open the quick files and how to open the command palette and how does command palette help us. After that, how to navigate between the recently opened files. The fourth one, open multiple files quickly and how to navigate between the recently opened folders in the workspaces. Let's begin with the first shortcut. Now, everything will be explained here with practical. Let me open the Visual Studio Code so we will see the first how to open the files quickly. So this is the Visual Studio Code and here we have one folder in which we have these 3 HTML files, and here we will see how to open these files quickly. This is just an example, but in a practical way, if you have a very big project and so many files are there, in that case this will help you. So you have to press this shortcut. When you press the shortcut, this drop down list will appear in the list will appear with the file name in which folder you are working, and simply just select and click and select the file to open. So this shortcut is very useful in day-to-day life. After that, we will see if we need the command suggestion, then what we need to do. We can simply type the question mark and then this will show us the command suggestions. Go to the search on the top and just type question mark, and you can see we have these command suggestions like @ and the description just after that. This arrow sign, debug consoles, edt active, edt mru, ext, and so many commands are there, and the descriptions written here, so you can check this out. We don't need to remember these commands, simply go and type the question mark. That's it. Now guys, we will see the second thing. How to open the command palette with the keyboard combination. The simple keyboard combination is there, Control Shift and P. P means palette and just belong, you are going to open the command palette. And guys, this will open all the accessible commands based on current context in which you are working. And this is also useful if you forget any keyboard shortcut of the command. Simply open the command palette and this will help you out. Display the command keyboard shortcut. Okay, I will show you and how you can change the key bindings for that shortcut as well. Let's check it out. So here I just went here and pressed Ctrl Shift P and then the command palette is appeared, and here when you scroll down you can select any option like MS SQL Connect, so you can see the shortcut keys are represented here. And when you go here on this gear icon and if you click here, so you will get an option to customize this key binding. Key bindings is simply like that, the shortcut keys combination, so you can change it as per your need. So you have to simply click here on this pencil icon and this will show you the box to type new key combination, and that will be set up for you for next use. So this is the way you can set up and change the key bindings for any other shortcut. So we have fully operational the key binding change features available here, so we can use it and we can create for the key bindings for any new action as well. Great. Now we jump to the third shortcut, which is how to navigate between the opened recent files. Okay, go here in the Visual Studio Code. As you can see, we are using the example with these 3 files and these 3 files are opened. Okay, great. Now we have typed the shortcuts and you will see the list of the files here. Simply scroll up and down and this will quick open trick will help you to do this thing. You can use the mouse. If you don't want to use the mouse, you can use the cursor and jump to the files. Now guys, we will see the fourth one, how to open the multiple files from a quick open view. Let's understand this keyboard shortcuts. We will use the right arrow key. Please listen carefully. We will use right arrow key, which is the fastest way to open multiple files from this quick view. So you have to press this key combination, then you will get the list, and if you want to file quickly, press right arrow key and that file will be opened in the backend. So in the same way, just keep scrolling down and select your file and press the right arrow key and that file will be opened in the editor. So this way you can simply select the file, press right arrow key and open the file. Select the file, press right arrow key and open the file. That key combination is awesome. So this will help you to do your work faster. Now guys, we will see the fifth one, how we can navigate between the open folder and the workspaces. This is also easy. We have to press, this time I have just opened one folder test in which I'm working, but in the case in the real time we worked on the different and many folders and workspaces. You have to simply the Control R and then you will get the list of the recently opened folders and the workspaces here. So this way you can quickly jump to the new directory or new folder or new workspace, and you can switch to between the workspaces and the folders this way. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And for now, thanks for watching Cool IT Help.